here's the game plan. We've got this tree here. We're gonna get this Widowmaker and cut it off at the base, kind of let it drop. Once I free up about 10-ish feet, we'll hook the rope in the snatch block way up high as I can reach. And then that way, when we pull on the snatch block, it'll pick the trunk up at an angle so that it doesn't dig into the ground, and we save our energy on the truck, which will be up in the driveway. We got 200 feet of rope. Let's use it all. I could just use one as an anchor. There, just like that. That one wasn't unrotten.
Not unrotten. There's
That one wasn't unrotten.
very little.
Yeah. Can't imagine why this one tipped over. I'm gonna do one more 4-foot cut. That's it.
Now it's starting to look like wood.
What's that?
Now it's starting to look like.
Getting good there. Now we get to tie some knots. I wanted to put a half hitch in. So I guess.
That was just practice.
Haha, practice. Edit. Okay, so we got a half hitch down there. And now I can I don't have to go so high up in the tree for the anchor. To put the cow hitch in. The difficulty with this is that you got to make sure you got enough rope there to throw the half in. And now we're good. Why the half hitch at the bottom? Because it bites onto itself. Whereas the cow hitch won't bite onto itself. It's just kind of friction stuck. We'll give it a shot. Grab everything that's worth money and get it out of here.
That's the right attitude.
Oh, hold on. We're down. Yeah, back up 6 feet. There you go. Thank you. Time for me to get trained in on camera work. Here we go.
So, we got the knockoff here. I really do like this saw. My favorite thing about this is it starts and it runs. It's not big. It's easy to move around.
Basic criteria for a chainsaw.
Starting and running. So, anyway, here we go. Hey everyone, thanks for watching Lumber Joe, and hopefully this helps next time you got one that's shoved down into the ground. Just rig it up, do it the easy way. Look at how pretty that is. I think that's nice.